Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex bringing you a short introductory video to my new one-click trade button, which is a combination of a trade placement button and a trade manager, complete with a trailing stop with several preset files that you can choose from. The preset files are available for quick scalp, day trade, and swing trade. So the trade button will serve many functions, including placing your trade with the stop and the take profit directly on your chart and with your broker at a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. So that means your risk would be, for instance, if it's 10 pips, you're doing a quick scalp, your risk could be 10 pips and your take profit would be 20 pips. So the take profit is always going to be set twice as large as your stop loss. Now we have a one-click button that will place your trade, place your stop and take profit at the risk to reward ratio of 1:2. And then depending on the preset file that you've chosen for either scalping, day trading, or swing trading, it will then manage the trade according to the preset file that you've chosen. And the trade button can be used on any trading system, any currency pair or index, CFD, gold, oil, whatever you like to trade, whatever your broker offers you to trade. It can be used on any time frame, and you can use any trading system. So the trade button is now available as a standalone EA, and meaning expert advisor. It does not place your trade for you. It is for manual trading. It will manage your trade for you as an EA. You can add the trade button to any trading system that you like. This is my Pro Currency Strength Meter template, and the trade button comes installed on the template. And I've just recently made the trade button available as a standalone trade manager. So now I'm offering it just as a standalone, and you don't have to buy the Currency Strength Meter Pro template now to purchase the trade button by itself. But the trade button needs a trading system to work on an MT4 platform, so I've used my Pro Currency Strength Meter template as an example of what it looks like. But I want to show you how you can add it to any other template that you have, any other trading system. It doesn't matter what trading system it is. It doesn't have to be one of mine. This happens to be my basic simple neon breakout trading system, and because I'm such a firm believer in using a trade manager, I just want to show you how you can add my new trade manager to this chart. And it could be any chart, it could be any trading system. I'm just using my basic neon breakout as an example here of how to add the trade button to your chart. So first of all, when you use my one-click auto installer program, it installs the trade button under expert advisors because it is an EA. So you would just click it and drag it over onto your chart. The default that it opens onto is for a 15-minute time frame scalp setup. So the inputs here, the values here, are for scalping. But if you want to day trade, change it to 30-minute or 1 hour, and then choose your day trade set file. We have 2 to choose from. Click OK. Then you can move this over here. You can move it wherever you like it in order for you to actually trade. So that wraps up my introductory video to my new trade button, which is a trade placement and trade management button all in one with a one-click. So you can click buy or sell or close, and then there's the potential buyer, potential sell, which enables you to place pending orders. I've shown you the inside of the trade management and how you can attach it to your chart. And if you purchase this as a standalone trade management tool, then you'll receive a PDF with training videos. However, if you'd like it with my currency strength meter attached to this other template, this is the Pro currency strength meter, which has everything. And this is one of my nicest setups. However, if you don't want the currency strength meter, which by the way, I'm selling also independently now of the Pro CSM template. So you can now purchase the currency strength meter and or the trade button without getting this other template. And I thank you so much for your time, for watching, and happy trading to you.